Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss the how to find the capacity of water tank. So here we discuss for rectangular tank and for circular tank. Of the tank is 8 feet. The 5 by 4 into 6 square into to find capacity of water tank. Here we take one example of rectangular water tank. Here the dimension is 12 feet by 10 feet by 8 feet. His length of tank is 12 feet, width is 10 feet and depth is 8 feet. So first of all we find the volume of the water tank. The volume of the rectangular tank is length into width into depth. So the volume of tank is length is 12 feet, width is 10 feet and depth is 8 feet. So volume of rectangular tank is 12 into 10 into 8 is 960 feet cube. Here is the volume of rectangular tank. We find 960 feet cube. As per I standard, in 1 feet cube, the quantity of water is stored is 28.32 liter of water. So for 960 feet cube, the quantity of water stored in rectangular tank is 960 into 28.32 liter. That is that is 27,187.2 liter of water stored in that rectangular tank. So the quantity of water in liter that stored in the tank is 27,187.2 liter as per Indian standard, as per in liter. So for 1 gallon, for US gallon, in 1 gallon there is 3.785 liter of water stored. So water in gallon 27187.2 liter divided by 3.785 liter for 1 gallon. So in water in gallon is 7182.87 gallon, 87 US gallon. This is unit of US gallon. 1 gallon, in 1 gallon 3.785 liter. So how much gallon in this liter? So the water in gallon is 7182.87 US gallon. Now we discuss for a circular tank. In circular tank of dimension of 6 feet dia and 8 feet of height, how much water is stored in that circular tank? So the volume of tank we can find by the Pythagorean equation pi by 4 d square h. Here is the pi by 4 depth is dia is the 6 feet and height of the tank is 8 feet. The pi by 4 into 6 square into 8, the volume is 226.08 feet cube. As per standard, in 1 feet cube, the volume of water stored is 28.32 liter. So the quantity of this circular tank is 226.08 feet cube into 28.32 liter. So the quantity of water stored in this tank is 6398.064 liter. This much quantity stored in this circular tank. As per US standard, we can find the water in US gallon. So divide the total liter of 6398.064 of water liter of water divided by 3.785. 6398.064 divided by 3.785 gallon. So the quantity of in US gallon is 1690.37 US gallon. Water stored in this circular tank. So here we can easily calculate the quantity or capacity of water tank, and we can discuss the different shape for rectangular tank and circular tank.
सिविल इंजीनियरिंग ना प्रैक्टिकल कंसेप्चुअल અને फील्ड के वीडियो के लिए चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहना, और चैनल में नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करना, ताकि अपने ऐसे नए वीडियो आपको जल्दी से मिले।